All right. See, I thought I was the fucking slingshot master over here, but turns out these tree guys got their slingshot game on point, homie. Like, look at this thing here. That's the type of thing that I just need to buy one of those on eBay just for Harpo's ball. Wouldn't you like that, Harpo? Would you like that? I bet we need to try at least one time before you guys leave shooting his Kong ball with that thing. Yep, trees are fucking. They've said their last sarcastic statement to me. I'm over them. These trees are not gonna talk shit anymore. They thought they was fucking just because they old, and they are. It's old as hell. Look at that. I'm talking for the benefit of the video. Harpo's loving this, I think. Probably not. Taking away his pee stuff. Where's he gonna drop off his pee mill at? Here you go, find it, Harpo. Damn, that. If I wouldn't have crippled, this would be an awesome job. I like climbing trees. I used to. I used to when I was a kid.